Hars VFD are expert manufacturer for frequency converters for over 18 years. Today, I will take you to our frequency converter production line. First, here's the intelligent PCB board production line. Fully automatic intelligent equipment production and testing inspection. Then, here's the inspection, testing, 3-proof coding, programming program, and other work on the PCB board. The workers here are testing the circuit board to ensure that there are no defective products on the circuit board. Finally, here is the assembly workshop, aging test machine test, and finished product packaging. We have a complete finished product warehouse management system, 55 management, ERP system management. We specialize in keeping lead times low and providing high stability of the frequency converters. It would be our pleasure to host you for a factory tour. Kindly let us know your availability, and we will gladly assist with the necessary arrangements.